The red-whiskered bulbul, Pycnonotus jocosus, or crested bulbul, is a passerine bird native to Asia. It is a member of the bulbul family. It is a resident frugivore found mainly in tropical Asia. It has been introduced in many tropical areas of the world where populations have established themselves. It has a loud 3 or 4 note call, feeds on fruits and small insects and perches conspicuously on trees. It is common in hill forests and urban gardens. Red-whiskered bulbuls build an open-cup nest of rootlets, bark and leaves lined with soft fiber. The nest is usually placed in a low tree fork. 2 or 3 broods may be reared in a season. Both birds incubate the eggs and care for the young birds. The eggs hatch after about 14 days. Both parents feed the chicks and on feeding trips wait for the young to excrete, swallowing the fecal sacs produced for the first few days when the bacterial level is minimum. The main differences between male and female red-whiskered bulbuls are brood patches. Only females develop brood patches. Whiskers. Males have longer whiskers than females. Wing length. Males have longer wing length than females. Red-whiskered bulbuls are native to southern Asia, but have been introduced to other regions. They are known for their red whiskers, red vent, pointed crest, and bouncing flight. The bulbul is a symbolic messenger of peace and joy, a beloved bird in many cultures across the world. For centuries, it has been seen as a spiritual being full of wisdom and mystery, its graceful beauty and melodic songs with hope and joy. This is a bird of lightly wooded areas, more open country with bushes and shrubs, and farmland. Eruptions have been noted from early times, with Thomas C. Jourdan noting that they were periodically visiting Madras and other wooded towns in large flocks. Primarily frugivorous but also consume animal matter. Plant materials include leaves, flowers, buds, nectar, pollen, fruits, berries, and figs. Animal matter consists mainly of insects and spiders. Red-whiskered bulbul babies, or chicks, are born naked, with their eyes closed, and are completely dependent on their parents for food, warmth, and care. Here are some details about red-whiskered bulbul chicks. Eggs. Red-whiskered bulbul eggs are usually 3 in number, pink, and covered in purple or reddish spots. They are oval-shaped and measure about 2.1 to 2.3 centimeters in length. Incubation. Both parents incubate the eggs for about 12 to 14 days. The bulbul is a symbolic messenger of peace and joy, a beloved bird in many cultures across the world. For centuries, it has been seen as a spiritual being full of wisdom and mystery, its graceful beauty and melodic songs with hope and joy. Thank you friends for watching this video. Kindly subscribe, like and share.